Right here is the brand new Dongfeng Box. And now I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is for anyone to drive it. So we need to get into the car. If we have the keys with us, the handles should open automatically. As you can see, we have access to the handle. We can get into the car here. Our system is already on. We can lower the music volume by pressing this button. The seat should also adjust to our position, to the last saved position. And yes, we're ready to go. So first, we are going to need to firmly press down on the brake button. After that is done, we will then need to carefully pull the gear lever all the way down until it reaches the drive position. First, let's go ahead and close this window completely. As you can clearly see on the display here, the car is currently in drive mode. This means that if we carefully release our foot from the brake pedal and then very gently begin to press down on the accelerator, which is also commonly known as the gas pedal, the vehicle will slowly and smoothly start moving forward along the road. Let's drive a bit. First, we can activate the vehicle's turn signal indicator. The headlights have already switched on automatically by themselves, so we don't have to worry about that at all. If we firmly press down on the brake pedal, we can bring the car to a complete and safe stop. And now, if we want to begin moving in reverse, we can simply push this control lever all the way up into the top position. We press the brake, click it once more, and now, as you can clearly see, we can easily reverse the process and start going backward. Right, we'll press it down again to the drive position and go forward. And if we want to brake, of course, we press the brake. And if we want to bring the car to a complete stop in the parking position, we press this button right here. And now our car is parked. Thank you for your attention.